If you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, name it, and you want to earn money without investing or launching any website, then all you just need is a smart link from Monetag. And all smart link is going to do is going to actually automatically select relevant ads for each user. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ijoma Edwin, and in my channel here I do talk about how you can actually help yourself financially, how you can grow your YouTube, tips and tricks that you need. And in today's video I'll be talking about how you can actually help yourself financially, and one of those ways is by using a smart link from Monetag. Yes, so you may be wondering, what is Monetag? Now, Monetag is a platform that actually helps you to earn through your social medias. It can be your blog post, it can be your website, it can be your Facebook, your Instagram. Now, all that is required from you is to put this link into your social medias post or anything, and you earn. Now, let me break it down so that you understand fully what I mean by Monetag and why it is trending. Now, one thing with Monetag is all that is required for you is for you to get your link. If you have a blog post, you can go over there, paste this link. Now, if people come over to your blog and they read and they come across your smart link from Monetag, they click on it, you are earning. You are earning. So let's say for a day 2,000 people clicks on that link, you have earned some money, right? Now, so that is how you earn from using smart links on Monetag. Or you have a Facebook page. Now, just so you know, Facebook does not allow direct ads. All right, so all you just have to do is, if you have a good audience on Facebook or TikTok, you direct them to your blog or your website with the aid of your smart link, and you earn. Yes. Now, why smart link from Monetag is going to be the second question that may come across your mind. Now, that is because, first of all, it has high competitive CPMs and it pays its publishers fast. Yes. Now, no matter the country that you are, it doesn't matter. You can still use these smart links from Monetag. 2, it has a 24/7 support system. Is always there at your beck and call if you need assistance. And you know one thing is, it pays fast from $5 above. Yes, that is just how Monetag is. Now, how can you get your own smart link from Monetag if you want to start? Now, this can actually be obtained when you're done registering on Monetag. So all I want you to do is watch me, because I'm going to be showing you guys like a practical step of how you can actually use Monetag and get your own smart link today, so that you can actually start earning from Monetag. Let's go. Click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the Monetag homepage. As you can see, this is just how Monetag looks like. Then just click on the 3 bars ahead of you. Click on sign up so that you can actually register yourself. And I would advise you to use your own personal information, like your real information that is on your ID card, so that you can get paid. Don't use someone else's information or a fake information. As for me, I've already signed up. I've used my own information. That is why I uploaded. And they're asking me if it's a company or an individual. This is an individual account. So if you want to sign up, you sign up as an individual. Choose your country. If you're in Nigeria, put Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, put Ghana. Okay, I'm blowing this because these are my personal information and I don't want to share it. Put your number, put your where you live, your residential area. It is all important. They're going to ask you for their social traffic. You click on it. They're also going to ask you, how did you hear about them? You click on it. Now they will ask you, where do you want to use your smart link? You can say YouTube, you can say Facebook, you can say website, whatever works for you. Now I said Facebook. Now the request for my link, my profile on Facebook. So I went over to Facebook and I get my profile link, and I came over here to paste it, and I told them where I heard about them from social media. Of course, now I'll just have to do a little bit security check, and voila, this is what the homepage looks like with this new account that I created. And as you can see, guys, $0. Now to get your direct link, just click on add direct link and you automatically get your smart link without anything. So simple. You automatically get your first smart link, and with this link you can add it to your website and you start getting paid. Right now, let me show you guys. in green level because I'm just a beginner. Okay, so I can make from 0 to 200 and something dollar because I'm a beginner. But if I upgrade, my payment upgrades, guys. So this is just my account and what my account looks like, everything about me. This is just it. All right, that is why I'm blowing it out. My personal informations. These are just here. Now, my payment method, the payment method is actually good. We have PayPal, we have Payoneer, we have Skill, we have cryptocurrency. So if you don't have PayPal, cryptocurrency should work for you. Yes, which is so good. Now, they also have their referral program, okay? The direct link which I've showed you guys, as you can see, I've earned nothing, but you can earn from referral programs. When you refer somebody, the person you tend to earn from that person as long as the person is earning, right? You yourself, you'll be earning. And that is one good thing about this Monetag. You'll be earning when the person earns, okay? So it's a continual process. The next, you go over the statistics. Now, this is what the statistics look like. Clearly, I have not done anything, so my statistics is quite empty, okay? But assuming I am already earning, people are clicking the link, my statistics will show you that, okay, yes, she's earning. This is her activities for the day and everything, when and how. That is just how it's going to show you. So there's nothing difficult here much. If you want your ad, you can say how you want the ad to be from the statistics feature, the ad formats and everything. It's so simple, okay? They have Telegram mini apps. They also have, I told you, when it comes to the referral program, okay, you have to read their terms and conditions before you start the referral program. So read the terms and conditions. If you're aligned with you agree, then you start, okay? And once you start, take your SmartLink and upload to your post. It's actually good you upload it to a blog post because blogs and website tends to allow you to post more of links other than social media like Facebook. That before you post a link, you have to direct that link to a landing page where you can put in your SmartLink, and when people tend to click on it, you also tend to earn. So that is how you do. So this is a referral program. You just click on accept, and yes, you are already a member of the referral program, and you can. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link in the description below and get started right now with Monetag.